memorized vocabulary. You've learned grammar rules. But every time you speak English, people say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?" The words are correct, so why aren't they being understood? It all comes down to pronunciation, and today we're fixing that. If you want to sound clear, confident, and maybe even native-like, stick around. This episode might be the one that transforms your English speaking forever.
Hey everyone, welcome back to English Express, the podcast where we break down real English skills for real-life situations. I'm your host, Kosal, and today's topic is one we get questions about all the time: English pronunciation made easy. Say it like a native. Whether you're preparing for a job interview, a presentation, or just want to be clearly understood, this episode is packed with insight and tools you can use immediately. Joining me today is someone who helps people just like you every single day. Please welcome Daniel Lewis, a certified speech therapist and American accent coach with over 12 years of experience helping non-native speakers sound more natural and confident.
Thanks so much for having me. I'm excited to break pronunciation myths and share real strategies that work. Let's start at the beginning. Why does pronunciation matter so much, even if someone knows the right words?
Great question. Think of it like this. Pronunciation is the bridge between what you know and how others hear it. You might have perfect grammar, but if your stress, rhythm, or sounds are off, people struggle to understand you.
Exactly. And I've seen learners lose confidence just because of that.
Here are the top 5 mistakes I see. Confusing vowel sounds, like ship versus sheep. Missing final sounds. Walk sounds like wah. Syllable stress. Saying record instead of record, noun versus verb. Flat intonation, which makes speech sound robotic. Using native accent rules, bringing your first language habits into English.
Yes, especially the vowel sounds. Beach and, another word we won't say on this podcast, can get very awkward if you pronounce it wrong. Let's get into the good stuff. What can learners do today to start improving?
Try this 3-step strategy. Shadowing. Repeat after a native speaker with the same rhythm and tone. Try podcasts, TED Talks, or YouTube. Minimal pairs. Practice pairs like bit versus beat, cap versus cup. Use your phone recorder and listen back. Record yourself daily, just 1 sentence a day. Over time, you'll hear your progress and correct mistakes more easily.
I love that. And it's free. No fancy app needed. Just your ears and effort.
Here are some myths I want to clear up. Myth 1. You need to sound like a native to be fluent. Nope. Clear communication is more important than a perfect accent. Myth 2. Adults can't improve pronunciation. False. Neuroplasticity works in adults too. I've helped 50-year-olds make amazing changes. Myth 3. Practice is boring. It doesn't have to be. Use music, movies, voiceovers, anything that keeps you engaged.
I couldn't agree more. It's not about perfection, it's about connection. Let's summarize what we've learned today. Pronunciation is the gateway to being understood. Mistakes like vowel sounds, stress, and missing final consonants can confuse listeners. Daily practice with shadowing, recording, and minimal pairs can create real improvement. You don't need to erase your accent, just make your speech clearer. And most importantly, don't let pronunciation shame stop you from speaking.
Absolutely. You're not broken. Your voice matters. Every time you practice, you're becoming more confident and clear.
Daniel, thank you so much for your expertise today. Your advice is practical and empowering.
Thanks for having me. And to all the learners out there, keep going. Your progress may be quiet now, but it speaks loudly over time.
To our listeners, practice one thing you learned today. Share this episode with a friend who wants to improve their English. And follow us here at English Express for more expert conversations that help you grow. Your voice is powerful. Let's help the world hear it clearly. I'm Kosal Soy, and this was English Express. Until next time, speak boldly, learn daily, and be proud of your progress.